Hello everyone, welcome to Karma Education. This educational channel has a target to cover the whole syllabus of UGC NET education subject paper 2 only. We have completed subunit A, B, C and almost of subunit D. In this video, we will discuss education for political development. In introduction, we can say that education plays various roles in our life. Among these, one of the most important role of education is socialization of child, as well as development of human being in political perspective. Child acquires societal norms, traditions, values, etc. from home, family, society, and the role of government in our life. Process of political development, administrative functions of government, etc. These knowledge can be provided or generated through school curriculum or various subjects. Now we will deal with the word political development. The word political is relating to the government or public affairs of a country. The word political is relating to the government or public affairs of a country. People should have a clear idea about entire governmental process of our country. Right? According to American political scientist Lucian Pye, political development is just an adjustment between old patterns of life and the new demands. Very important thing this is that what is political development? Where Lucian Pye is saying that political development is just an adjustment between old patterns of life and the new demands. Political process brings equilibrium state in our country by adjusting between old and new pattern of life. He discussed the term political development from various viewpoints. These are political and social condition of a society plays a decisive role in terms of economic growth. From this viewpoint, political development must be prerequisite or it is required as a prior condition for economic growth. Right. The next thing is that industrial society is related with mass production, contrasted with traditional societies. This is also a very important thing that industrial society is related with mass production, contrasted with traditional societies. These industrial societies sets some specific standard of political behavior of people. From this point of view, political development have some qualities. Right. The next point is, or the next viewpoint of Lucian Pye is that political development as political modernization, where what we understand by the word modernization refers to a progressive transition from pre-modern or traditional to a modern society. Right. Whereas political modernization refers to the change in political culture and political institutions. It is a process of rational utilization of resources to establishment of modern society. Right. It is a process of rational utilization of resources to establish modern society. From this viewpoint, political development plays a crucial role in political modernization. Political development plays a crucial role in political modernization. Next is political development as administrative and legal development. Apart from elected members within a system of government, there is a large number of officials who work hard to run a government through administrative and legal process. By establishing effective bureaucracy, political development improves the administrative and legal development. Next is political development as mobilization and participation. Political development formally introduces new citizens into the political process as well as spread decision making and participation. Right, political development formally introduce a new citizen into the political process as well as spread the decision making and participation. That's why political development can be described as mobilization and participation. Political development also can be viewed as the building of democracy. Political development inculcate the democratic values among the citizen. Democratic values means the ideas or beliefs that make a society fair, including freedom of speech, equality before law, social justice, etc. By ensuring these democratic values, political development builds our democracy. Social development, economic development, political development are interlinked. Political development is as prerequisite of economic growth or economic development. So political development ensures stability and orderly change. According to Lucian Pye, characteristics of political development are: it is an attitude towards equality. It is a capacity of a political system which provides outputs and extends that affect the rest of the society. Right? It is diffusion of socialization, but it doesn't mean fragmentation or isolation of anything or any part. David M. Wood identified some important characteristics of political development like industrialization, urbanization, spread of education and literacy, increasing exposure of mass media, growth of modern bureaucracies, development of a sense of nationhood, advent of political parties, expansion of popular political participation. These provides a clear idea of political development. Now, what are the implications of political development? These are some of the implications of political development. I think now it is little bit clear to us that political development is adjustment between old patterns of life and the new demands. In terms of adjustment, definitional priorities, that is, priorities is defined by society. This changes with industrial, cultural, economic, democratic demand of society. Is it clear to you that what is definitional priorities? Definitional priorities is just the priorities is defined by or framed by society, right? Which can be changed with the industrial, cultural, economic, democratic demand of society. Set of values are different in different societies, like in traditional or modern, free or closed, developed or developing societies. Political development has implication to set values in societies. Political development has also implication in the connection between the developed and less developed societies. It also helps to rank order in terms of economic condition of a society. Now, the main part of the topic, that is the role of education in political development. We know that education helps to expose global politics, economics, resolutions of the problems of the world. And for the modernization, standard of living, education positively helps with the governmental decisions. Earlier, education was used only for the transmission of tradition, but now education helps to understand world tradition. It helps to transmit empirical knowledge in today's society also. Education often provided support through the process of political socialization. Especially in developing countries, education plays a pivotal role in selecting and training potential leaders. I think this video will be helpful to you to have an idea about political development. Maybe it is not complete guidance of the topic because there is no direct interaction between viewers and me. But still, I think it will be helpful to you to rethink the topic and explore it. Thank you.